Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Binance. In order to do that, first of all, you have to create a Binance account. Now, first of all, you have to sign up and then you have to complete the identity verification, which is KYC process as a required. Now, you have to choose your purchase method. Now, if you want to choose P2P trading method, this method allows you to buy USDT directly from the other users. Now, if you want to do with the credit card, you can also purchase USD using your Visa or MasterCard. So, this is how these are the two ways you can buy USDT on Binance. Now, we will be doing with P2P. After logging in the Binance, for P2P, just simply click on this trade option. Just simply click on the pay to P to access this mode where you can manually select the advertisements posted by user or merchants. Just simply click on that P2P. As you can see here, these are all the ads. Now select the first currency you want to use and choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. For example, just simply give a confirm. For example, transaction. Now I have to choose first currency, which will be the. Now just simply select the USDT. Just search USDT. USDT. Just confirm. Now from here you have to review all the advertisements carefully, paying attention to the quantity and limit set by seller. Now select a seller and click buy USDT. For example, I want this one. Just simply click on the buy. Now here this is it will ask you to complete the KYC verification. Now after selecting the seller, uh, by clicking buy to place your order, enter the amount you want to purchase and reach the seller's terms and before proceeding. From here you can enter the amount you want to take and just simply click. After entering, just simply click on the buy USD. Don't forget to reach these all the related things. Just simply click on the buy USDT. So this is how you can buy USDT on Binance. If you want to buy using credit card, you can with that too as well. So if this find video helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.